Hello and welcome to English Learning. In today's video, I will read a morning speech on the topic discipline. So without wasting much time, let's begin. A very good morning to one and all present out here. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, all the teachers, non-teaching staffs, brothers and sisters, and my dear friends. Today I am standing in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic discipline. Discipline is very important to be successful in life. Life without discipline is useless and meaningless. It is like a ship without a rudder. Just as a rudderless ship flounders in mid-ocean, in the same way our life is wrecked without discipline. If there is no discipline in our home and if we do not give respect to our elders, parents, and do not obey anyone, then we are bound to go astray and become nothing in life. In other words, we will be good for nothing. If we want to become a successful person, then we should first learn to be disciplined. At school, if we do not show discipline inside the classroom and pay proper attention to our teachers, then we are bound to become mannerless person and grow into irresponsible, useless human beings. In our daily life also, we have to obey the laws, rules and regulations of the country in which we live and fulfill our duties and responsibilities as good citizens. Otherwise, our country will not develop and progress. Lastly, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that discipline is necessary for all of us. Freedom without discipline only leads to chaos. No one can become great and strong without discipline. Let each one of us become a good human being by maintaining proper discipline, not only in school or in our home, but in all stages of life. Thank you so much, everyone. With this, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you liked the video and found this speech useful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. And if you want to copy this speech, then go to description box and click on the link. There you will find all the study materials and notes from class 6 to 12. Okay, so do check out the website and thank you so much for watching.